Welcome back. We now know the three types of machine learning. But how do you actually apply them to a real-world problem? Today, we cover the single most important skill in practical AI: framing the problem. Before you even think about algorithms or code, you have to create a blueprint for what you're doing. This involves taking a vague business objective and turning it into a well-defined machine learning task. This planning stage is where projects succeed or fail. A great model solving the wrong problem is useless. The very first step is to define a clear, measurable business goal. Don't start by saying, "I want to build a model." Instead, ask, "What business outcome do I want to achieve?" A bad goal is to build a churn model. A good goal is to reduce customer churn by 15% in the next quarter. Next, you translate the business goal into the language of machine learning we've already learned. This is the crucial connection. If your question is, which customers are likely to leave? That's a classification problem. If it's, how much will they spend? That's regression. If it's, how can I group my customers? That's clustering. You must pick the right tool for the job. Step 3 is defining what success looks like. This happens on two levels. First, there's a technical metric, like how accurate your model is. But more importantly, there's the business metric. Did your 95% accurate model actually help you achieve your goal of reducing churn by 15%? The business metric is the only one that truly matters. Finally, once you know your goal and task, you can ask, what data do I need to solve this? For a customer churn problem, you'd need data on their demographics, their purchase history, how often they log in, and whether they've contacted customer support. You must identify all the relevant data sources. And that's the 4-step blueprint: goal, task, metrics, and data. By thinking through these steps before you start, you set your project up for success. You now have the strategic framework. In our next lesson, we'll see how to execute on this plan with a look at the end-to-end machine learning workflow. See you there.